Okay friends, problem 4, exercise 2.4. Two zeros of the polynomial x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 are 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. These are the roots and this is a given polynomial. We have to find out other zeros. Means here it is only two zeros are given. 2 plus root 3 is 1 0, 2 minus root 3 is another 0. But because it is a fourth degree polynomial, we will have 4 zeros. 4 zeros will be there. Means 4 roots will be there for a fourth degree polynomial equation. Okay. For a zeros will be how many? 4 will be there. Okay. So the power of degree represents the number of zeros or number of roots. Okay. Now this is x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 are the given polynomial. What are the roots is given? 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 is 1 root. Another root is 2 minus root 3. Okay. Now because these are the zeros, then we already seen that we know that it is, if alpha is a root of a polynomial, then x minus alpha is a factor of that given polynomial. It means that a polynomial is divided by this factor exactly. So x minus 2 minus root 3 is one root. Other is one factor. X minus 2 plus root 3 is another factor. And again x minus 2 minus root 3 and x minus 2 plus root 3 also should be a factor of the given polynomial, right? So now we will simplify this. X minus 2 minus root 3 into x minus 2 plus root 3, right? So x minus 2 plus root 3 into x minus 2 minus root 3 is equal to how much? X square minus 2x, okay, plus, sorry, it will be how much? X square minus 2x minus root 3x, okay, minus 2x plus 4 plus 2 root 3 plus root 3x minus 2 root 3 minus 3. So therefore here this after simplification minus root 3x and this plus root 3x minus root 3x get cancels. Here minus 2 root 3 and plus 2 root 3 get cancels. And here x square minus 2x is there and here minus 2x. This will become how much? 4x. So x square minus 4x. What are the constants we have left here? It is plus 4 is there, here minus 3 is there, therefore it is plus 1. So this is the factor that divides a given polynomial. Okay, because of these two are zeros, this will be a factor of the given polynomial, this will be a factor of the given. The product of the two zeros, I mean two factors also will be a factor of the given polynomial. Now let us divide the given polynomial with this x square minus 4x plus 1 to find out the other zeros, right? So now x square minus 4x plus 1 divides what is that one? X power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. Okay, so we'll write here, okay, this here. The first one is we'll take, because to cancel this x power 4, what we should multiply this divisor. So write x square. So x square into x square, x power 4, and this is minus 4x cube, and the next term will be plus x square. Now this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this will get cancelled, plus 4x and minus 6x cube, sorry, minus plus 4x cube minus 6x cube is minus 2x cube, and this will become how much? Minus 27x square. Just you brought down this 138x minus 35. Now again we can take with minus 2x. With minus 2x, if I take, this will become minus 2x cube, I suppose. Yes, minus 2x cube plus 8x square, minus into minus plus, and 2 4 8, so 8x square minus 2x. So this if I take here, so this will be plus minus plus, this get cancelled, and minus 35x will remain. Minus 35x plus 2x and 130, I think it is 140x minus 35. Now we'll take with minus 35 in the coefficient. So this will become minus 35, sorry, this is x square, 35x square plus 140x minus 35. Okay, so now what will happen is, this will become plus, this will become minus, this will become plus, get cancelled, and you will get 0. So therefore, so when I divide with this x square minus 4x plus 1, I got the quotient as x square minus 2x minus 35. Therefore we can write the polynomial, given polynomial, x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 is equal to x square minus 4x plus 1, that is divisor into coefficient, x square minus 2x minus 35. Already this we know, these are the these are the two zeros given, that is x minus 2 minus root 3, x minus 2 minus plus root 3, two roots. Now other two roots we are going to get if you split this one. Which one? This one. If you split, we will get the other two roots. So therefore x square, now factorizing, we will factorize. After factorizing, we will get the other two roots, x square minus 2x minus 35. We know how to factorize. We have to write 2 in such a way, if you add we should get 2, and if you multiply we should get minus 35. If you add we should get minus 2, and if you multiply we should get minus 35. Means choose minus 2, write minus 2 such that add minus 2, multiply minus 35. So I can write it is minus 7 and plus 2. So it will be okay. So x square minus 7x plus 2x minus 35. If I write minus 7 into, sorry, so this is 5. This is 5. This is 5. Minus 7x minus plus 5x is minus 2x. Minus 7 into 5 is minus 35x square. Right? 35x square we should get. This into this when I multiply these two. So here if I take x common, x minus 7. If I take here 5 common, x minus 7. So therefore what will happen? X minus 7 into x plus 1. the factorization of x minus 5 into x minus 7. So this implies one 0 is 5, the other 0 is 7. Okay, so sorry, I made a mistake. This should be, this will be, sorry, x, when I take this x minus 1, 5 if I take, how much I will get? X minus 1. So when I take this x minus 5 common, what is that I am going to get? This will be x plus 5. Okay, x plus 5 into x minus 7. So therefore x will be minus 5. Okay, and x is equal to 5. So therefore the given zeros are what? The other two zeros are, hence 7 and minus 5 are also zeros of the given polynomial, right? So totally there are 4. What are that? 2, what is that given? 2 already given, 2 plus or minus root 3. There are 2 roots, and here it is 7 minus 8. Total 4 zeros are there. Okay, we'll stop here. Hope you understood.